Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you Facebook story music not available or showing up. Make sure that your app is updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Facebook. To the right side of Facebook, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. If updating your app doesn't work, then you need to reset your app. Now let's go to settings. Scroll down and tap on apps, and again you need to tap on see all apps. On the search bar, search for Facebook, tap on it. When you enter on your Facebook info, then tap on storage and cache. Now you need to tap on clear storage. This will basically reset your app. Make sure to back off your data and find your way to log in back to app. Now again, if resetting your app doesn't work, then you need to uninstall the app and reinstall it, and after that your Facebook story music will be available or showing up. Thank you for watching.